leaving my consultation. Oh my goodness. Half of my hair is down. Looking crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna have to wait till we get home to see everything. I decided not to film in there because it's always kind of awkward asking for permission to film. I just didn't feel like it. And plus she was there all day and she booked me for an 8:30 appointment. So, but yeah, we're gonna look at these little Tinylocs when we get home. All right, y'all, I'm back from this consultation. Listen, I have on a black shirt, so if I cut the light on, it kind of messes it up. Hold on, let's see. All right, so my Sisterlocs. I hope y'all can see that good. So this is the twisted one. Oh my God. And then the ones towards the front are the interlocks. My final quote was $3,000 even. $3,000 even at the length I'm currently at. So she gave me some alternatives. She said I can install micro twists in your hair and it'll be like $800 at this length. But she said I need an extensive trim. So if it's $800 for micro twists at this length, if I trim, I probably need like 3-4 inches off. It can lower the price significantly. So maybe $600. I can do that. I can do that. I can make payments on that. Oh, let's see what else we talked about. Oh, so when she was putting in those interlocks, so I could tell already, and I'm a little biased because of the price difference. I'm just gonna be honest because we have to be economical. When she was interlocking my hair, and y'all have heard me say before, I have weak edges, right? So my hair is just tapers off and gets super thin at the ends. When she was doing the interlock, I could just, because she was close to my ear, I could hear my hair snapping as she was interlocking it. It was just snapping clean off. And plus, interlocking, I noticed, hurts. It hurt, like as she pull and tug, it was hurting, and I'm tender-headed. So overall, I'm leaning towards the twist because 1, the price. 2, I think the twist would be easier on my hair as far as no snapping. And 3, it's a whole lot less pain to do twists. Also, it took her, oh, I have some in the back too. She put 3 in the back, which I thought was kind of, all right. It took her 7 minutes to interlock 1 little square of hair. But to twist, it took like maybe 30 seconds. So that's another pro. You hear my husband getting on to my daughter. But that's another pro because y'all know I am a resident physician and I don't have a lot of time. So we can probably knock out my micro twist in 2 appointments, whereas to do Sisterlocks, it'll be 3, 4, maybe 5 appointments, given both of me and the loctician's schedule. So I'm feeling great. I got a lot of great information. She talked about how my strands are fine, and you know I have high density but not the highest density of hair. So my hair towards the front performs a lot different in the back. I have more of a 3C texture in the back. Also, and for those reasons, because of my texture, how smooth my cuticle is, she used the 3-point interlock pattern on the interlocks. So I thought that was interesting. She wouldn't tell me. So I kind of like, I asked the question. I was like, so I know there's there's different types of interlocking patterns. So like one is a 4-point, one's a 3-point. Does that matter per texture? And she was like, one of the patterns is, it would be better for people with high dense, thick, or coarser hair. It keeps it more tamed. And I think she's talking about 4-point. And then she said for people with softer textures, smoother cuticles, or like finer textures, the 3-point will give them more volume. And she said the one I'm using on you is the one that'll give you more volume. And I started to pay attention to how she was going in with the tool. So she would do 12, 3, 6, 3, 12, 3, 6. So I figured out quickly that she was doing a 3-point. I'm gonna have to make the light better. Let me see. Let me see if this makes. If y'all can see those good. I hope so. I really hope so. Those. And she needs me to wash these Sisterlocs twice. It doesn't matter if I do it in a week. It doesn't matter if I do it in 2 weeks. Then for me to call her, she's gonna see how they do in my hair. She's gonna take them down. Then she wants me to go for my trim. Then she can give me an accurate estimate for the locks. So yeah, let me see. I kind of don't like the ones in the back, but I understand why she did them, because I have 2 different textures. So she wants to get a full picture, but it's just getting tangled up in my hair, which I hope y'all can see. Those 2 of them are twisted and 1 is interlocked. Let me make sure they're isolated. This is messy. Alright. Those are the 3. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to put this back in the bubble ponytail just for the week. I can't put any products on these. And as long as my hair is up in this, my hair feels soft. But as long as my hair is put up in a way, I won't have to worry about any breakage, because it doesn't have any product on it. So I'll keep y'all tuned. I'll keep y'all updated on that. Just got my Sisterlocs taken out, and I'm about to schedule my appointment for my Microlocs.